stop scrolling. Right now, an elite shadow organization is hunting for the world's most dangerous minds, and you've already failed the first test. On January 5th, 2012, a single image appeared on Forshawn's random board. It was a silhouette of a cicada with a chilling ultimatum. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. Most saw a meme. The elite saw a doorway. This wasn't some basement dweller's puzzle. This was a global recruitment operation utilizing high-level steganography, ancient Mayan numerology, and rare Linux kernels. Within hours, the Internet's brightest minds were deciphering hidden codes buried in the pixels of the image, leading them to cryptic phone numbers and physical GPS coordinates scattered across the globe, from the rainy streets of Seattle to the dark corners of Seoul and Paris. This was no longer virtual. This was a hunt. Those who reached the finish line found a site on the dark web that vanished the second the quota was met. No names, no logos, no government trail. Then the silence. The winners disappeared from the face of the earth, leaving behind only the Liber Primus, a 58-page book of runic code that remains largely unsolved to this day. Is it the CIA? A rogue artificial intelligence? Or a cult of techno-anarchists building a new world order? Every few years, the cicada sheds its skin and returns, but the message remains the same. They don't want followers, they want masters. The puzzle is still out there, hiding in plain sight. But remember, if you find them, they've already found you, and by then, it's too late to run.